How to make money on YouTube without making videos. Secret method. Just download the footages, edit them and upload them on YouTube and boom! You can start to generate passive income from YouTube. Is it really that simple? Hi friends, welcome back to the Cash Cow Automation channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the exact same method which I'm using for my other Cash Cow channels. This method is used by so many different Cash Cow channels. You don't need to show your face or your voice. This strategy works 100% in 2021 as well. So if you really want to get the secret of making money on YouTube without making videos in 2021, keep watching this video till the end. Before starting this video, subscribe, turn on bell notifications and write done in the comment section to get a chance to win a free monetized channel. The strategy I'm going to show you is the compilation one. And now I know most of the people are going to say, hey man, compilation channel don't work in 2021. But wait, hold on. I'm going to show you the correct method to do this. The strategy's basic idea is to download 10 clips from different social media platforms, compile them, and upload them on YouTube with the same metadata. Now, you don't just download and upload it on YouTube, you need to voice over them, and within some seconds, I'm going to show you the correct method. So hit like if you appreciate this. Step 1. Select any niche. First of all, you need to select a niche for this, and I'm going to choose a fact niche to demonstrate all the processes. You can choose tools, niches, or others as well, but you need to select that niche in which you will find content easily on social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, etc. Now, if you don't know what a niche is, let me clear that up for you. It's a topic on which your channel is based upon. For YouTube, I always recommend using cash cow niches, so you don't have to show your face or your voice. Do you want to know more about cash cow niches? If yes, I have attached a link to some trendy cash cow niches in the description box. Check it out to know more. Step 2. Create your channel and optimize it. First things first, you have to create a channel. Without a channel, you won't be able to post your stuff anywhere. After that, make sure you optimize it for YouTube SEO. Channel optimization mainly consists of branding, keyword tags, description, and links to websites, etc. If in case you don't know how to create a channel and optimize it, I highly recommend you watch my recent videos. In these videos, I show the complete practical application to optimize any niche channel. Step 3. Upload the graphics and the channel logo. Now this is pretty important. Everything seems to be professional, so all you have to do is just go to Canva in order to create graphics for your channel. These include your channel's art and the logo. Just head toward the Canva search bar and type in the YouTube channel banner or logo. After that, a blank canvas will appear in front of you. Use the templates and resources available to create beautiful graphics. Step 4. Finding keywords. Now you need to scratch out video ideas and topics for your niche. Suppose I select the strange things caught on camera niche. Now what I need to do is just go to YouTube, write strange things caught on camera, and then hit the space button from your keyword. Now YouTube shows you the long tail keywords. Just copy them for future use. The strategy's main thing is that you need to find one winning keyword. A keyword that makes sense to your topics and has a higher number of searches and less competition. So you just upload videos with the same metadata to get the most views and growth. My main keyword is strange things caught on camera. Now I need to find videos about strange things. So what we need to do is just go to Instagram, open the new tab on your browser or open the application from your mobile device. Search hashtag strange things. Search this and download the videos. You can use TikTok or Facebook as well for this purpose. Step 5. Editing your footages. Now hold on. I'm going to show you a bit of a secret sauce of this method. When you have finished finding content, you need to do a voiceover for each of the clips. Now you don't actually need to write a whole complete script for this, just demonstrate each clip and voice them. So 10 clips mean 10 short voice sentences for your video. You don't need to hire a voiceover artist for this, nor do you need a scriptwriter. You can use Audacity software to edit your voiceover, and for video editing, you just need a basic editor. You can also download the hit Film 4 Expresses for this purpose. Some essential video editing softwares that I recommend for users include Filmora Go, Camtasia, etc. You can download them or use any online video editor to edit basic level videos. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 6. Upload your content. If you're watching this video, so I just told you need to use the same metadata. So, as I found the best keyword, strange things caught on camera, my main title will be for the next couple of videos are the same. I mean, I don't have to use different metadata. Otherwise, I will never grow my channel. Just make sure that your channel description is relevant to your title and your video. If you're making videos about baking cakes, then create a description pertinent to baking steps, etc. You wouldn't add cement in the description for a baking video. For thumbnails, you can use Canva. Go to the search bar and type YouTube thumbnails. Click on the appropriate option and you will see a lot of pre-designed templates. Use any one of them and craft your thumbnail. That's how you upload your videos. That's all about making money on YouTube without making videos. I hope that you'll enjoy the video. Make sure to like the video and press the bell icon.